Hey, it's Ian, and did you know that 70% of people hold their canes incorrectly? Well, today I'm gonna show you how to hold your cane the right way using the Moto cane. Now, what sets this cane apart from all the rest is that the removable handle features an auto assist bar, which makes getting in and out of your car a breeze. Not to mention, it's adjustable and you can fold it up for ease of transportation. Plus, the pivoting 4-foot rubber base gives you maximum support and balance. Now, when you first hold your cane, you might be tempted to hold it like this, which causes a lot of unnecessary strain and fatigue on your wrist. When in reality, the proper way to hold it is with the handle facing forward, giving you the most possible support and comfort all day long. Now, we have an absolutely fantastic deal on the Moto cane, but stock is limited. So if you want yours, head on over to the site before they're all gone.